Welcome to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. So, number 4 on the top 5 for me, multi-tool. And today we have the Amazon special. I think I got this for like $6.99. You could probably get it on Temu for $1. But it's just your basic little multi-tool. Nothing too special. There's your pliers. There's no name on it, so I can't really give you any information. Again, it's just just look up multi-tool and it'll come up. It's your basic knockoff of somebody. But there's your pliers, wire stripper, adjustable pliers. You have all your stuff on the frickin' inside, but it's on the outside. So there you go. There's your knife. Pretty sharp. Alright. Pretty sharp. Yeah, they're pretty sharp. And the rest of your goodies. Flathead. Phillips. And then you have a file on this side. Two-sided file. Oh, messing up the shot. Messing up the shot. Messing up the shot. And on this side, what do we got? It's like, what else do you need? Well, there's stuff on there. Saw. Another flathead. Smaller flathead. Package opener. What is bottle opener? And another flathead. Good Lord, how many flatheads do you need? Or is that a small knife? Is there a small knife and a big knife? Jeez. Nice. So you got your bottle opener. I think that's a small knife. Flathead. Saw. Pizza. It's here. All right. So we'll leave the conversation right there. Number 4. On the top 5. Where would it rank on your list? Multi-tool. We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, leave a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over and out.